Welcome back. Now your WordPress site can also be an action on the end of a trigger. For example, if we were to go to app event and we were to type in Twitter, and assuming that your Twitter account is connected to your Zapier account, you can select a trigger event. We can make it so that our tweet is the trigger event. We're then going to click continue. We're then going to choose our account. We have already connected our Twitter account. If you had not, you would need to click connect to a new Twitter account. We are going to use the Twitter account that is connected. We're then going to click continue. We're then going to test our trigger. We're then going to click continue. We can now set the action within our WordPress website. So we're going to search for the action to be our WordPress website. And we're going to select WordPress. We're then going to click an action event. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a specific post. We're then going to click continue. We're then going to choose our WordPress account, which we have already set up. We're then going to click continue. We are then going to set up the action. We're then going to create a specific post. We're then going to write in the title, and we can use some of the information from our tweet. However, in this case, we're going to write in a specific title. We're then going to select the content, and we're going to use the text from our tweet. We are also going to use the URL of the tweet. We can write in an excerpt. However, we are going to leave that blank since it is not going to be required. We're also not going to write in the required password. We are going to choose an author. And we're going to choose all of the other information as we see fit. We can also use a specific post published date. What we're going to do now is we're going to click continue. We are now going to test our post. And our post has now been sent to our WordPress website. And you can see now that our post has been sent. In fact, what we can do is we can change this from password protected to public. And we can then publish our post. And our post is now set. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.